So yeah, today we're going to be using a 4T, which is our multi-purpose product that we make here in Brisbane. Ryan actually is a big advocate of the 4T, loves it, uses it all the time. It's the only product he will use.
4T with no pop, mate.
With no pop. Pro pop. That's the one. So he's just going to do the application for the internal.
For anyone that doesn't know, the CanAm pumps have actually improved over the last 6 months. That's pretty thick. So you'll be right. So the pumps are actually suck a lot better than what they used to. Not that they were bad before, but now they're just better.
So he's just applying the tape now.
His handle extends quite easily. And this will be your 75mm head. So a lot of people will probably use the 50. That's basically it. And obviously you leave that dry, but you know, just pretend it's dry. Probably would have usually used different sized heads, but it's fine.
This is applying the final coat now. So.
See how this one goes. Seems dry. It.
Perfect internal. There you go, it's Patrick from Plaster here today just to give you a rundown on what we've got in the new Goldcore CanAm kit. Obviously comes with an applicator tube, also the Goldcore 4-wheel applicator for easier rolling up and down the internals. Also coming with 2 glazing heads with the rollers. We also have what they call an external applicator, new to Australia, with an external roller, and of course you also get your internal roller as well. Also included in the Goldcore kit are your handles. So for your glazing heads we've got our handle, which is a twist lock, extending for higher reach obviously, locks in. And then we also have, for the rollers, twist lock handle as well. So just one twist, locks in, it's easy as that. Twist, back down. With this kit we also have a little bit of a bonus. You get your 3 Nicor glazers with this short handle, which is also doubles up. It will fit the other glazer heads. Really good for tight spots in cupboards, things like that. So yeah, really good kit. That's the upgrade kit which we do. So yeah, do yourself a favour and get one.